Do you have trouble concentrating and remembering things? Do you feel overwhelmed and feel like you constantly lack energy? You might be experiencing brain fog. While not a medical term, brain fog encompasses feeling of mental confusion, forgetfulness, and a lack of clarity. Many factors, both medical and lifestyle related, can contribute to it. In this video, we'll go over some common reasons why people experience mental fog and what you can do to get rid of it completely. Tip number 1, reach optimal sleep levels. Sleep is your body's way of recharging energy. Without enough quality sleep, you're likely to suffer feelings of fatigue and lack of concentration. Make sure to get enough sleep every night. The amount of sleep each person needs may vary, but as a general rule, it's recommended to get 8 hours of sleep each night. To get this quality sleep, establish a sleeping routine and make sure to wake up and go to sleep at around the same time every day. Limit caffeine and alcohol usage before sleep, and don't eat heavy meals in the evening, as these can all disrupt your sleep and decrease your sleep quality. The same goes for digestion. To research the effects of eating before bedtime, researchers studied 16 participants who were given a meal before they go to bed. The participants were given either an easily digestible meal or a meal that's rich with protein and fats. The study found that the participants who ate a slowly digestible meal had disrupted sleep patterns compared to the other group. So if you want to eat before bedtime, eat something that's easy to digest and avoid anything too heavy or spicy. Tip number 2, sustain an active lifestyle. Most people spend the majority of their waking hours sitting, either at work or during their leisure time. Prolonged sitting and a general lack of physical movement can lead to a number of health problems, including symptoms of mental fog. A sedentary lifestyle may lead to reduced blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain. Regular exercise can help alleviate symptoms of brain fog by improving your blood circulation and your mood by releasing neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine, which play essential roles in mood regulation and cognitive function. Exercise also helps produce the so-called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF is a protein that plays a critical role in supporting the growth, maintenance, and survival of neurons in your brain. In other words, BDNF is responsible for higher cognitive functions, like learning and memory. Regular exercise increases the BDNF levels in your brain, which helps alleviate symptoms of brain fog. You don't need to go to the gym every day to reap the benefits of exercise. Moving your body for as little as 15 minutes a day is enough to get your blood flowing and improve your mood. Aim for consistency and try to establish a short workout routine you can do every day. And you're guaranteed to see an improvement in your focus, mood, and productivity. Because nothing good happens overnight, like any worthy undertaking, it takes time to see real results. That's true whether you're investing in your body or your retirement portfolio. So it's better to start right now because there's no shortcut to self-improvement, and you can't make up for lost time. That's why our sponsors at Masterworks are offering you the next best thing, a way to jumpstart the benefits of investing with them. Benefits like delivering over $45 million to investors, and like anything worthwhile, they aren't an overnight success. They've collected decades of data, and they've shown strong results. Their team of art nerds and financial analysts have delivered positive net returns to their investors on 16 straight sales, and they've acquired over 300 paintings with over $800 million in assets under management. So it's no surprise over 750,000 people have signed up so far. Demand is growing by the day, so there's a wait list. But our subscribers can skip it and start collecting today by clicking the link in the description. Past performance is not indicative of future returns. Investing involves risk. Important Regulation A disclosures at masterworks.com/CD. Tip number 3, minimize your sugar intake. Aside from sleep, your body needs energy from food to function properly. Think of food as fuel for your body. Without quality fuel, your body is less likely to perform optimally. In fact, your overall energy levels are heavily correlated with the quality of food you consume. If you want more energy and better concentration, you should avoid heavily processed foods, refined sugar, and carbohydrates. When you consume sugary foods or beverages, your blood sugar levels spike rapidly. In response, your body releases insulin to help regulate blood sugar. However, this rapid rise in blood sugar is often followed by a crash, leading to feelings of fatigue, mental fogginess, and difficulty concentrating. If you crave something sweet, replace sugar with fruits that are rich in antioxidants, like blueberries or strawberries. Blueberries are considered a superfood due to their nutritional value and health benefits. These health benefits include protection from high blood pressure and heart disease. They can even help maintain your brain function and improve memory. Strawberries are also rich in antioxidants and protect you from a number of diseases. And they can help prevent cognitive decline related to aging. They also reduce cholesterol and inflammation and help manage your blood sugar levels. Tip number 4, Cold water exposure. Taking a cold shower is just about the quickest way to get rid of brain fog. Exposure to cold water increases alertness, releases endorphins, which elevate your mood, and improves your circulation. Cold showers can even boost your immune system and alleviate stress. When you take a cold shower, your body reacts to the stressor by activating your sympathetic nervous system, aka the fight or flight system. This leads to the release of norepinephrine, a hormone that plays a role in arousal, attention, and vigilance. Norepinephrine is known to increase alertness and focus, which is why cold exposure can lead to a temporary state of heightened wakefulness. Cold exposure also leads to increased blood flow to vital organs and the brain as a mechanism to maintain core body temperature. This improved blood flow can enhance oxygen and nutrient delivery to your brain, contributing to increased mental clarity and alertness. Having symptoms of brain fog can usually be boiled down to the problems in these 3 areas: sleep, diet, and exercise. By establishing healthy habits in these 3 areas, you will likely get rid of a vast majority of problems related to brain fog. If you want to know how to create healthy habits that actually stick, check out our other video on habit building, which is linked in the description box below. Besides that, guys, stay tuned.